What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the episode. If y'all can see behind me, we are at a bridge. We're gonna try something different today. I've done this before. I've had a couple cool stuff, but I'm gonna try it again. I'm out here with Bryce, Outdoors Weekly. You guys know who he is. He is the magnet fishing king. I have my magnet with me today, a bucket, a little bit of rope. Hopefully it's long enough. We're gonna try to see if we can catch something. Who knows what we're gonna catch? These bridges, from the current, everything else, anything can come down. I mean, Bryce, name some of the cool stuff you found.
We've gotten guns, satellite dishes, a DJ machine thing. I don't even know what it's called, dude. If you can think it, we pretty much have found it. It's crazy.
And that's pretty epic, guys, just to be able to come out here and just find all different kinds of stuff. So, like I said, who knows what we're gonna catch? We're gonna give it a try. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all, we're walking down. I got my magnet right here. I think this is a 1,200-pound magnet, or it might be 15. Got my bucket right here, whatever we find. Oh, dude, I got something, Bryce. It just clicked to it.
Really?
Oh yeah, like heavy. Oh, I just clicked to it, Bryce. I got it. I got it, yeah.
Oh my gosh, you actually... Okay.
Oh, I just clicked off. Hey, throw down there, Bryce, throw down there.
Okay.
Oh, I'm about to click off it, Bryce. Get right next to me. You didn't you?
Oh yeah, you're right.
You did.
Dude.
Oh,
there is something down there.
It's too heavy, Bryce. It's too heavy. It's got to be that big though, but like it's got to be so big we can't even get it up. Oh, yeah. I just clicked off. I'm back on it. What is that?
Dude, wait, I got something coming up. Okay, there we go. This is definitely not what we were going for.
What is it? Piece of rebar.
It's a piece of, that is a huge piece of rebar.
From what though?
Dude, that's like a solid inch thick of rebar.
I think it's just a big piece of metal, dude. I dropped straight down. Straight down.
Like, nah, he doesn't got anything. He needs to get used to it.
Have faith. It's like a big treble, man. That's awesome.
It's going all the way over there. Here, let me get under you with the rope.
You're right on it, man. Got it? Oh,
yeah, I got it.
You got it now? Get it up, man.
Claw coming in clutch. Let's get it.
And it's up.
There we go.
What is that?
I don't know what that is, actually. I don't think that's the front to a car.
No.
Oh, man.
Dude.
There we go. Dude, it almost looks like a piece. I don't even know. I don't even want to take a guess.
I don't know what this is, man. It's so weird.
Yeah. Oh, you got something, dude.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I do. I didn't even see it.
What is that? Pull her up. What is that? Just a piece of rebar?
Yeah, more rebar. Put it in the bucket.
Whew.
Bryce taught me this method, y'all. Just kind of drop and just walk. You never know what you're going to pick up.
Rig, I think. You got a little catfish rig. Look at that.
Walk until we click. I got something on here. A big old washer or something, man.
There you go. That's like a washer. We find a lot of these around the bridges.
Yeah. Let's pull her up. See something on there. A little nail. You felt something?
Oh wait, I think I still got it.
Oh, you got it?
We got something.
What
the heck?
It's like a big shark tooth.
Get up here. Dude. What?
The heck? Anchor maybe?
Oh yeah, maybe.
Might have something here. Another shark tooth. Yeah. I wonder what these are, man. There's a lot down there.
Oh yeah, this is another one.
Thank you, shark tooth. All right, guys, we're leaving this spot now. We caught some pretty cool things. Either way, it's just good to get all that stuff out the water. We don't want that there. Bunch of old metal, we want to get all that out. So now we're on our way to our new spot. Hopefully to find something else. We never know. Let's go hit it. All right, guys, next spot. The bridge looks a little bit smaller than what we were just at. Water's super murky, but it looks decent, so let's give it a try. See what it has to offer, man. It's not that deep. Map. And it's looking like nothing. This side is not produced. Try this side. No go for here. All right, y'all, just made it to the new spot. Bryce just said it himself. He's a pro at this. When there's like fast current, it's really not the best. Stuff gets washed away pretty fast. Some cool pilings down there. Doesn't look that bad though, man. I'm just go ahead and walk this bridge. Keep on bouncing. See if I come across anything. I can literally see my magnet right there. It's not even like a foot deep. Oh, I got something. And it's up. We have a block of metal. Looks like we got something. Dude, I got part of a knife.
You got part of a knife?
Yeah, man.
There you go. Look at that.
That's crazy, man. All right, guys, so right down here, there's a little sandbar. This boy just wants to get in the water and just see what it is. I love his adrenaline just to go do that. So he's about to jump and I'm gonna film this. Who knows what it could be? So let's let Bryce do his thing.
Nice. Don't slip. Oh, this water feels nice.
It does it?
Ah. Oh, dude.
What is it?
I don't know.
A radio, microwave.
No, it's not. It's like, I think it's a computer.
No way.
I think it's a computer.
Show us what you got, man.
Look at that. Boom. Look at that. That's a computer. That's where the disc goes in right there. That's where you turn it on, man. See, I know some things, and that is a computer. It's so heavy, I really can't do anything with it.
It's full of mud.
It's full of mud, full of water, full of nastiness. What the? I just ripped it out of something else. Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
No.
No, I can't get that out.
Dude, what is this? Maybe part of a sink?
Oh yeah, maybe. I'm not trying to fall in here. Ow! Let's see. What the? Maybe. Oh, it might be the back. Maybe it's the back end to a toilet.
Maybe.
Yeah, that is like the bottom half to a toilet. Look at that.
It's crazy.
A little piece to a toilet. Alright, there's nothing we can really do with that either.
We're down here, man. Let's just keep on looking.
Yeah,
That's a bag of worms.
We are now treasure hunting. Look at that. We can take the plastic up. What is that?
Anything in it?
Yeah, there's a couple in there.
So Bryce just found that computer. That was freaking awesome. I never even knew that stuff like that could be down here. Pulled up some more metal out this little creek, river, whatever you want to call it, off this bridge. I actually left a magnet over there. I'm gonna go pick that up now. And we're gonna bridge hop to the next one. Next bridge. Yeah, I think this one's a no-go. Yeah, this is straight swamp. Leaving this one, y'all. Leaving this one. All right, y'all, next bridge right here. Looks like it has some pretty good depth. It's an old bridge. You can tell just looking at these rails right here. The pilings underneath us is wood. Most of the time that's metal. Super old. Gonna give it a toss out there. Nut. Ton of mud down there and it's just making this magnet sink. It's not the layout that you want. I'm gonna try a couple throws over here. No go. Not all winners. We just made it to our next spot. We've been hopping around a lot. Not every spot's gonna be a hit. If y'all can see behind me, there's an old railroad right here. There could be a ton of those big old spikes down here. Really could be anything. You never know with these spots. Look at all this freaking wood right here. You can tell it's probably flowing a lot. It's all stacked, all of it here. This could be a pretty good spot. Let's get the throwing.
Oh yeah, what do you got there?
Big old piece of rebar.
Oh, you got two. Look at that.
That's a nail, dude?
Yeah.
Look at the size of this freaking nail.
Right now. Yeah.
What is this?
It's like, I don't know, it's linked to the railroad, I guess.
It's massive, dude. Another one right here too. Another little piece of, yeah, it's like a little nail. Look at that thing. I felt something click.
Hey, you got something
Yep.
in there?
Another spike. They're all different too, man. That's what's cool about it. They're all different. There's 3 different ones right there. That one too.
Oh yeah, there we go. What the heck is this?
That's an old one, dude. Here's another one.
Oh yeah.
Big old bolt nail too. It's cool it still has this bolt intact with it. It's awesome, man. Another spike. I wonder how many is down there, dude.
There's gotta be like a million.
I just felt something else click. This one's got its bolt. Nope. Just by itself. We got 2 right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, this one's old. Look at the rocks coming off of it.
How long do you think something needs to be down there for to start growing rocks? Or like have rocks connect to it like that?
At least 30, 40 years, man. I had to guess.
Oh, dude, that was big.
I know, I still got it. What is that? What the heck?
Never found one of those down here before. Yeah, that's
Oh, it's
they
a,
got a railroad spike on
looks
it.
like a leaf spring or something, man.
Could be.
And another spike with it.
One that's still attached. Oh my gosh.
Back-to-back spikes.
Jeez.
Back-to-back. Oh, look at this nail, dude.
I had like 5 things on there.
Look at how old these. Look at how, like, I wonder how long it takes for, like you said, rocks to grow on it. There's all different types of nails. I mean, look at this one, dude. They must use like all different types of nails to build these tracks, man. Cause that's a skinny one. That one's deformed. This one has some rocks on it. Another one, a little piece of metal. I got something a little bit heavier.
Heavy?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah, dude. What
is this?
Oh, look at that. I know what that is. Dude, I caught a couple of those before.
What is it?
It's a, that's what you laid the track on. The track
oh, that's right. Yeah,
would go right in between there.
Jeez.
What was that like? Dude, those are like 5, almost 10 pounds.
Oh, dude, it's got to be easy. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I did not get to film an outro after we went magnet fishing. I had a great time out there. I was extremely lucky to be able to go out. Literally my first drop went down. I pulled up that crazy find. That was the biggest thing we found that day. Going to that abandoned railroad was pretty insane, guys. All those spikes and piece of metal down there. Not all spots are gonna be a hit, but it's just good to go there and just get out all that junk. You do not want that in the water. It's not safe for the fish or any of the wildlife. I wanna thank Bryce a lot, Outdoors Weekly. If y'all not checked out his video, this kid goes out there all the time and catches the most insane stuff, so go check his channel out. If y'all want to see more magnet fishing videos, just leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it, guys. Lippin Bass TV.